Hello guys, today I'm breaking down a blueprint about my exosuit. It is fully powered by steam engine and designed like a space marine. It is designed for raw power and endurance. Also, this exosuit is designed to be powered by a flash boiler that generate 150 psi superheated. Each limb has its own piston. As you can see, the piston gets its steam by this mechanism. A servo pushes a puppet. That puppet puts the steam inside this piston. The piston moves this crankshaft, and this crankshaft rotates this cylinder right here, and it has this chain. I'm gonna use a motorcycle chain since it's gonna have a lot of torque in it. The pipe in this flash boiler, I'm gonna use 1.5 inches bore, and I think I'm just gonna electroplate the pipe since I'm gonna use mild steel for a cheaper alternative. It absorbs heat and reaches 150 psi in about 10 to 20 seconds, not like a tank that needs to build up for minutes or hours to have 150 psi, and it will be bulky. So a flash boiler with condenser, AC condensed loop flash boiler is the best way to approach it. This flash boiler is compressed in this jetpack. You know, the Space Marine jetpack powered with something, but this time it's gonna be powered by a flash boiler. The limb movement, the controls. As you can see, there's a servo in it, right? So the inside of this suit or armor has like a foam of sensor that detects the movement of the pilot. Each movement pulses this servo right here that pulses this puppet and puts steam in it, so it has sync movement. The arm is extended for a fit, so the wearer won't get injured and they won't feel the impact of the arm when punching. Here's the design of the control, by the way. Up there, here is the piston encased of the suit. Piston is placed on here, here, and here, and maybe 3 on the back. The armor design, as you can see, this is a 2 inches reactive cement armor. It's simple to make, honestly. You can do it yourself. It's a mix of cement, pebbles, fiberglass shards, and sand in a 1:1:1 0.5 mix. And this 1 inch plate right here is a porcelain tile used to slow bullets its hardness. There's 3 layers in it, 10mm each, and a 3mm mild steel slotted plate to shred the bullets when it punctures right here, and it will already be slowed down by the time it reaches this armor, and a 0.5mm sheet of mild for aesthetic, for a clean look. And it will be plated like this for a localized impact. But as of right now, I'm not capable of building this suit yet, since I'm 16 years old and not able to fund myself. I don't even have a 3D printer to make complex parts. So if you guys can donate me, I'll greatly appreciate it. Thank you.